Hey guys! Alright, so I'm in the process of trying to find some jewelry for some events that are coming up, and I thought, hey, let's go through some jewelry together and see what I have. Alright, first thing are these pretty blue earrings. God, those are gorgeous. Those are post backs. Okay, that's not something I need for a future event, a current event, but that's okay. This I might put in my next week's BlingaDingDing sale, or this week's. That's perfect. This will work for an upcoming event. Got this lady. Don't need her right now. Pretty blue. Don't need that right now. Faux pearls. Really pretty. No, I don't need that right now. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's missing a stone. Dang it. Okay, so that one, I'll probably just go into a craft lot. Little bracelet. I'll put that in the BlingaDingDing sale. Bracelets. It's a really pretty blue. That's what I need right now. Let's see what this is. Okay, everybody's having a good day. If you don't know, I sell on Poshmark. Well, no, actually, well, we do sell on Poshmark. I'm not on there under BlingaDingDing or BlingaDingDing. I can't talk today, guys. We are on there under my husband's account, SalesbyTony, but I am on Macari. This is really pretty. I don't need it right now, but it is pretty. I put that in a boho sale though. Macari, eBay, and of course I sell on Whatnot. Oh, pearl stuff. Ooh, pretty fishy earrings. It's so pretty. But those are no, they're not fishy. Lord, Amy, those are zebra. I had some fishy earrings somewhere. A faux pearl floating necklace. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is pretty. Missing a stone though. Dang it. So, yeah, I don't know what I'll do with this. I don't know if I'll still try to sell it or not. Stone is higher on the neck, so I don't know. I might still try to sell it and might put it in a spring sale. I don't know. Of course, I'll disclose the missing stone. A nice bulky gold chain. I can use that for an upcoming event. Some beaded bracelets. Another gold tone. I don't think I'll use that for the upcoming sale. I got some gold tone brooches. This one's a fishy. A leaf and a safety pin. Right. Oh, yeah, there's green. I need green. Nice stretchy bracelet. I think that might be glass. It feels cool to the touch. That's a really pretty color. Put that in my BlingaDingDing sale. Put that one in there too. Sorry, Gideon's deciding to bark. Probably at the mailman. Alright, and then there was this blue wrap bracelet. So I got some stuff out of there, that's good. Some faux pearls. Let's see that one. Gideon. Be quiet. Be quiet. Okay, I like this one for the BlingaDingDing sale. That one's definitely going in. I think that was all the bling though. I like this one. May put that one in there. I don't know. Just this one. Oh, that one's got a clasp. No wonder it wasn't. Oh, stretch. Okay. Just keep going. There's a nice. Yep, that's Gideon for you. Another bulky gold chain. This will work for an upcoming sale. And then we have some brooches. Gideon. There's this one. There's a pumpkin. There's this bee one that has little earrings. This would be great for a spring sale. Sorry, guys. No, quit. We got this lady. That's all that's in that one. I think there's just a couple more bags in here. Got these earrings. That gold one. Gold bracelet. I mean, necklace. This one. Pretty heart. Put that in sale that I'm doing. Sorry. And then I've got a little silver tone bracelet that we'll take a look at. Really pretty. Really vintage. Alright, that was all for this box. I'm going to get this packed up and I will be back with another jewelry haul. So be sure to stay tuned. And be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.